Welcome to Communication in English on 3rd November 2020. And then you will meet me again, Miss Arlene Nuari, and we are going study about the presenting. Yeah, the last meeting we have studied about the presenting, and then today we would like to continue your practice, your presentation practice, yeah, in this day. But please, yeah, pay attention with your PowerPoint and presenting. Yeah, this is, you have to make it short, and then you can explain it with a picture. Yeah, is it diagram? Ya, please make it point by point. Sudah dijelaskan kalau misalnya membuat presentasi itu harus yang singkat, jadi nanti kalian yang menjelaskan, bukan semuanya materi kalian tulis di PowerPoint. Kemarin juga ada yang tadi beberapa saya cek lagi, itu sudah ada yang opening the presenting, you show in your PowerPoint. Ya, jadi ada dalam PowerPoint kamu itu presentasi yang menggunakan openingnya. Jadi kayak misalnya kamu ngomong, my name is Arlene Nuari and I would like to present about gitu. Itu ada dalam presentasi dalam PowerPoint kamu ya. Sebenarnya itu tidak diperbolehkan. Opening itu di luar dari materi yang ada di dalam PowerPoint. And then after that, please pay attention with the classical structure presenting ya. Harus tahu struktur kalimat dari presentasi itu, struktur klasik dari presentasi itu apa ya. Ada openingnya, terus kemarin apa yang sudah kalian pelajarin, opening, and then the tell about the what is it, example ya, terus isinya ya, the body of the presenting, and then closing. Yeah, don't forget to remember. Okay, now I would like to show you the presenting about your internship practice. Internship pertama, kemarin baru presentasi baru Sabrina aja ya.
Iya, Miss.
Siapa ya? Naik DC nggak bisa. Aurora deh, Aurora. Oke, Aurora. Halo Aurora, can you hear me?
Iya, Miss.
Ya Aurora, ya
Yes,
silakan.
Miss.
Sudah kelihatan presentasinya?
Kelihatan, Miss.
Silakan dimulai Aurora. Saya kasih waktu kamu 10 menit ya. Tidak lebih dari 10 menit. Jadi nanti temennya bisa presentasi juga.
Iya, Miss.
Ya.
Iya, Miss. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. It is an honor for me today to give a presentation. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Aurora Siva Devi from class 12 accounting. Okay, the topic of my presentation is report working practice of industry or Prakarin. As we know that internship is very important in vocational high school education. Hopefully, the presentation will increase knowledge. In this presentation, I will cover 3 main points. First, introduction. Second, discussion of material. And third, closing. So that would be the overall structure of my presentation. And now let's move on the first point. Chapter 1, Introduction. A. Presentation background. Presentation is done in from delivery of information or notification of research results and delivery of ideas which has been done. B. The purpose of making a presentation are 1. Convey an information. 2. To convince the listener. 3. To motivate and inspire the listener. Okay, next. C. The benefits of presentation are 1. As a supporting medium to explain school or work material. 2. As an exposure to a subject. 3. Listener will be clear if accompanied by image media or other presentation media. Okay, next. D. Brief history of company. PT BPR Supra Artha Persada is a type of bank that serves small and medium enterprises. Based on the date of establishment that June 25, 1992, it was approved by the Minister of Justice of the Republic of Indonesia and began operating on July 17, 1993 in accordance with the People's Credit Bank business license from the Minister of Finance under Decree No. 110 KM 17 1993. Okay, next page. Chapter 1, Discussion of Theory. Archive 1. Understanding. Archive is a record of activities of source of information in various forms made by institution, organization, or individual in the context of implementing activities. Next. Two, archive function. A. As a source of memory for organization or individuals if they forget the contents of the document or problem that needs attention and have a relationship with new problems. B. As a source of information for leaders who need it in dealing with their problem. C. As research material, archives are authentic data and facts to be used as a basis for researching thinking. Next. 3. Archive maintenance. Archive maintenance is intended to keep this archive from all damage and destruction. There are two factors that cause damage and destruction.
Halo? Mana Aurora? Okay, wait a minute, please. Wait a minute ya. Tunggu dulu. There is the problem with the data. Oke,
Terus
next.
gimana dong?
Itu udah join komisnya.
Itu udah join komisnya.
Iya, tadi ada jaringan. Lanjut yang ketiga ya, Aurora.
Yang
Archive maintenance. Ya, hilang lagi jaringannya, hilang. Timbul tenggelam, halo? Aurora?
ya Miss.
Ya, oke, dilanjut Aurora. Yang archive maintenance.
Miss, maaf, presentasinya belum ada ya?
Masa sih? Udah.
Iya Miss, belum ada.
Oh, bentar.
Belum share mungkin.
Bentar ya. Oh, yang tadi ada apa enggak? Wait a minute. Udah kelihatan?
Sudah, Miss.
Udah. Three, archive maintenance. Archive maintenance is intended to keep this archive from all damage and destruction. There are two factors that cause damage and destruction. One factor from nature as the paper used is very influential of the durability of writing or not. Use of ink, preferably high quality. 2. External factor as uncontrolled humidity will cause mold. Air that is too dry will damage the paper. Next.
Chapter 3.
Chapter 3. Implementation of internship. 1. Place. The implementation of industrial work practice or PRAKRIN was carried out at PT BPR Supra Arta Persada, which is on Jalan Raya Jakarta Bogor, KM 42, No 608, Kecamatan Cibinong, Kabupaten Bogor, West Java. 2. Time. Internships are held for 3 months from 2 September to 29 November 2019. Chapter 4. Closing. A. Conclusion. Based on the internship activities that have been carried out, the following conclusions are found. 1. There is a positive relationship between the internship activities of the accounting and finance skill program and the subject matter at school. 2. Internship helps students prepare themselves to be ready for work when they graduate from school. B. Suggestion. 1. Schools are expected to better prepare students as well as provide training. 2. Instructors in school are expected to monitor students at the internship. 3. Maintaining a better relationship with existing companies so that students do not experience difficulties when looking for an internship. Okay, is there any question, guys?
Is there any question? Okay, give a question for Aurora.
Enggak, Miss.
Nothing.
Okay, thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam.
warahmatullahi. Oke, komennya nanti aja deh terakhir. Ya, after that, please siapa yang kedua adalah Nirma. Nirma udah kirim tugas belum? Ayo Nirma. Ya, silakan Nirma.
Bentar, Miss. Saya grogi. Mulai nih, Miss.
Boleh.
Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Nirma Novianti from 12th grade accounting and I do internship at Pusat Pendidikan Seni. Chapter 1, Introduction. A background. The labor practice industry is a learning process by placing students in a company as a form of education and training activities for students that combines education in school with education in industry obtained by carrying out direct and targeted work practice to add special skill. The purpose of recurring implementation. Produce of quality workforce. The workforce has a level of knowledge and skill in accordance with the demands of the working world. Strengthening the compatibility between vocational school and the world of work. Improve process efficiency and effectiveness of education and training. Chapter 2, History of the Company.
Next.
Bentar, Miss. The Indication Center, abbreviated as Pusdiksi, is a Chandra Creator Federation of the Army Zenith. Pusdiksi is in charge of organizing the engineering branch education in order to support the main task of the TNI AD Kodiklat. Pusdiksi is under the ranks of the Army Kodiklat. The realization of the reopening the Geni school was timed according to the handover of the Depot Geni driven from the Dutch KNIL to the Army, which took place on April 15, 1950. Furthermore, the date of the event was made into anniversary of the Army Military Command Center for Education and Training, namely based on the Kasat Decree number 263 or KSAD or KPTS or 1954, date 27 September 1954.
Next.
Chapter 3, Discussion of Theory. 1. Definition of schedule letter. Agenda book is a debt note that records the entry and exit of letters sent or received by an office, agency, and or company. 2. Function of schedule letter. 1. Drop of outgoing and incoming mail. 2. Know the number of incoming and outgoing mail. 3. Know the numbering of outgoing letters. And 4. Helping mail search. Three type of schedule letter. 1. Single agenda book. 2. Pair agenda book. And 3. Twin agenda book. Chapter 4. Implementation of the Prakerin. 1. Place. The application of agency work practice is carried out at Pusat Pendidikan Seni, Jalan Jenderal Sudirman, number 35, RT 1, RW 5, Pabaton, Bogor City, West Java. 2. Time. The internship is held for 2 months, 4 to September to 1 November 2020, with the details of the stages of preparation, implementation to completion.
Next.
Chapter 5. Closing. A conclusion. Based on the internship activities that have been carried out, several stories are found as follows. 1. There is a positive relationship between internship activities in the office management expertise program with learning material in school. 2. Internship helps students prepare themselves to be ready to work when they graduate from school. B. Suggestion. Expected in school can improve the material guidance that students are better prepared to carry out the work practice. The school should put the student practice on workplace in accordance with department or expertise expected, supervising more attention to discipline children who carry out work practice guidance. Supervising expected more often give directives to further enhance student skill.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, any question, guys?
Is there any question?
No.
Pasti nggak ada pertanyaan. Ya, oke, next ya.
Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Next, selanjutnya. Hana.
Yes, Miss.
Ya. Ya, oke. Next, Hana. Banyak banget 23 itu, Hana.
Enggak, Miss. Itu di banyak slide yang kayak kosongnya gitu, Miss.
Oh. Oke. Dimulai.
Good day, everybody. How are you today? I hope we all in good condition. Before I start my presentation, let me introduce myself first. My name is Hana Regina Filedi from grade 12, Accounting. I would like to thank to PTLS Indonesia for accepting me to join the internship program. Also to our teacher, Ms. Arlene Wari, as well as to all my friends who were present at this time. Today, the subject of my presentation is internship as admin and finance at PTLS Indonesia.
Next.
This is the background of my presentation. So many companies have closed business because the administrative system in the company has decreased progressive because in the company there is no training and improving the quality of employees at the company. That's why we need workers who have high motivation in carrying out duties and responsibilities, especially in the administration and finance in a company. Next, we will going to know what is the purpose of my presentation today. First is to know how to carry out the duties of administration and finance at PT ALS Indonesia. Second is to know what our accounting students do in an internship company. Third is to complete the communication in English task. Next, this is the problem statement. We will know what is the definition of income tax Article 23, what must we do in payment of Article 23 and withholding tax 23. Third is how to reporting. Fourth is what are included in rate and object of withholding tax 23. And five, the steps of input data withholding tax 23. The benefit of my presentation today is to helping students to get to know how to carry out the duties of the administration and finance. Second is provide recognition and appreciation for work experience as part of the educational process. This is the table of content. Next, we will go to the material. The chapter 1 is the introduction of my company. PT ALS, or Australian Laboratorium Service, is a leading service company providing laboratory solution testing, inspection, certification, and verification based in Brisbane, Australia. One of them is at Sentul Industrial Estate Cahaya Raya Street K, Lewinatuk Bogor, West Java, supervised by Mr. Jonas Hutagawa as Head of Human Resource Department of ALS Indonesian Company, also with an administration and finance staff. This is the building of the company. There is the receptionist room and the one is the office room. Chapter 2, we will go to the material. The definition of income tax Article 23 is a tax imposed on income on capital, service delivery, or gift and awards other than those have been deducted from Article 21 income tax. Generally, this type of income occurs when there is a transaction between the receiver income and the income provider. The income provider will deduct and report the Article 23 income tax to the tax office. The government has added the object of Article 23 to 62 other types of services as stated in PMK number 141/PMK number 3/2015. Payment of income tax 23 is made by the withholder by making ID billing. Then the withholder pays it through the Perception Bank, which has been approved by the Ministry of Finance. The due date for payment is the 10th, 1 month after the 23rd income tax month. Withholding tax 23 as proof that the income tax Article 23 has been withheld. The withholding party is required to provide proof of withholding or in duplicate the first that has been complete to the participant who is subject to the tax as withholding for a second copy when e-filing the Article 23 tax through online tax. Withholding Tax 23 report is done by the withholder by filling out the periodic income tax return of Article 23, then reporting it through the online tax reporting feature or free e-filing on Tax Online. The reporting maturity is 20th a month after the month of income tax 23. Rates and object of withholding tax 23 is imposed on the tax base value, or we call it DPP, or the gross amount of income. There are two types of tariffs imposed on income, namely 50% and 2%, depending on the object of income tax 23. Last of my material is the steps of input data withholding tax 23. First, see the withholding tax 23 data based on company folder in computer. Second, contact the client concerned withholding tax 23 via telephone or email. If there is a response from the client, usually they will send the withholding tax 23 data via email. But if there is no response from the client due to incomplete data, then ask to the marketing department for client data that can be contacted. After you get the data of withholding tax 23, don't forget to print it. Then input the data to company folder in computer and archive the data that has been printed previously in the folder alphabetically. Next, there is a picture of me while I'm checking an e-book quote data, and beside of my picture, there is a form of withholding tax 23 data. Conclusion that we can carry about based on my internship is, first, there is a good studying to know more detail between the internship activities for accounting and finance skills program. Second, internship helps students prepare themselves to be ready to work when they graduate from school. Suggestion: although there are many steps that must be followed both in terms of input data reporting and others, it is hoped that it can add the latest data to make it easier when doing tasks. Second, in doing data input, it is hoped that it can maintain work stability to streamline time. Third, in administrative and financial work, it is hoped that it will remain stable both in processing data and in presenting data, so that the company can develop better. This is the references of my presentation.
Is there any question?
So, any question?
Any question? Nothing? Okay, next. Yeah, after that, we are going to, what is it?
Thank you for all attention and goodbye.
Bye. Okay, next presenting. Next presenting is Kayaknya kita bisa satu lagi ya. Lisda. Oke, Lisda.
Ya, Miss.
Boleh dimulai,
Mulai,
Lisda?
Miss.
Iya, boleh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Thank you for much for giving me this opportunity. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Lisdanita Agustina from 12th grade accounting, and I do internship at PT ALS Indonesia, which is located in the Sentul Industrial Area Jalan Cahaya Raya Blok K, Bogor. I am in charge of administration and finance. Next, Miss.
Next.
Chapter 1, Introduction. A. Background. The labor practice industry.
Siapa namanya Nirma?
By
Lisda.
planning.
Lisda suaranya putus-putus, Neng.
Ya, Miss, dari mana, Miss?
Putus-putus, ganti ya. Kamu pindah tempat dulu, kalau enggak. Ganti ada Ika.
Astagfirullah.
Ika bisa, Ika. Ika nggak ada suaranya juga. Kalau enggak, Lisda pindah tempat biar sinyalnya bagus.
Iya, Miss.
Tuh udah mulai jelas tuh. Tapi kalau lagi ngomong panjang dia nggak ini. Putus-putus. Terus ada suara anak-anak ya, please.
Iya, Miss.
Iya, coba kamu yang agak tenang gitu, nyari tempatnya.
Udah, Miss, di sini, Miss.
Dah.
Background, Miss.
Background. Next. Oke. Nggak ada suaranya sih.
Chapter 1, in by placing in stud a form of education
Aduh, Lisda. Suaranya nggak kedengeran, Neng.
ada suaranya, Miss.
Nggak ada. Ada sih suaranya tapi kayak kresek-kresek terus sama itu. Sama apa? Kayak putus-putus gitu loh. Ntar ada, ntar enggak gitu. Gimana nih?
Terus saya gimana, Miss?
Iya nyari tempat dulu kalau nggak minggu depan. Yang udah bisa siapa? Yesa? Yesa? Yesa nggak jawab. Lista belum gitu. Kalau mau nyari yang tempat yang bagus. Yuni, Rati?
Apa,
Halo?
Miss?
Iya, Miss.
Bentar, Miss.
Ya, Yuni bagus nggak sinyalnya? Tapi nggak ada suaranya. Rati. Halo, Rati.
Udah, Miss.
Ini siapa?
Yuni, Miss.
Ya, oke, Yuni. Yuni yang mana tugasnya? Oh, Yuni nggak pakai PowerPoint ya? Ya, oke. Tapi nggak kelihatan, Yun. Dah, oke. Oke, Yuni.
Oke, Miss, langsung baca ke background aja, Miss.
Ya, kamu itu dulu lah, buka dulu.
Kenalan, Miss.
Yes.
Hello, everybody. My name is Yuni Ramawati. I am grade 12 accountancy. Active employer report industry work first PT BPS Supa Aptersada. PT Supa Aptersada, which is lokasi and Jalan Raya Jakarta Bogor, KM 42 nomor 08 Kecamatan Cibinong Bogor. Forward press is the company for the press of Allah Sallallahu who has backward is girl and golden incomplete report on industry again work parties the internship report was complete based on data obtained by complete will help carry out the internship which was carried out on September to 29 November. Backward Faculty industry has the complete of current of econ and equivalent with. Jadi Miss, bisa dibacanya.
Nggak kelihatan ya. Kamu di itu lagi, dirangkum lagi coba.
Saya baca di kertas nih.
Harusnya lebih dirangkum lagi.
Ya, Miss.
Udah, Miss, saya aja, Miss.
Siapa itu?
Desti, Miss.
Desti nggak ada ininya, Des.
Ya, sana udah dikirim yang barengan sama duit ya, Miss.
Iya, itu kan
Lewat
di email
email.
kan, makanya di email. Emailnya belum dibuka, itu minggu depan aja deh, ingetin.
Ya udah, Miss.
Desi sama Dwi ya yang di email ya. Naila Febrianti siapa?
Saya Miss Siti Hamidah.
Oh. Udah Siti Hamidah coba. Lima menit ya. Cuma 11 kan, ayo. Mulai Siti Hamidah.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Before I start my presentation, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siti Hamidah from 12th grade accounting, and I do internship at PT Citra Abadi Sejati. Presentation on document duplication. Next. Chapter 1 Introduction. A. Background. The labor practice industry procurement is learning process by placing students in a company as a form of education and training activities for students that combines education in schools with education in industry obtained by carrying out direct and targeted work practice to add special skills.
Next.
B. The purpose of procurement implementation. Products of quality workforce. The workforce has a level of knowledge and skill in accordance with the demands of the working world, strengthening the compatibility between vocational school and the world of work, improve process of efficiency and effectiveness of education and training. Chapter 2 Discussion of Theory. PT Citra Abadi Sejati is a company engaged in garment or apparel production. This company produces various types of clothing such as jacket, shirt, trousers, shirt, skirt, and jeans. For the production, results will be sent and marketed abroad such as Japan, India, Korea, America, Australia, and European countries. This company has collaborated with several brands that are overseas, including Under Armour, Jack Wolfskin, Hugo Boss, Talbot, Spider, Zezil VF, Timberland, Express, GSP, Tommy Hilfiger.
Potong.
1. Definition of duplication. According to the Balai Pustaka Indonesian Dictionary.
Lanjut aja.
Number 2, to function document duplication. A. Providing service to reproduce document for the leadership for the sake of smooth routine text. B. Providing service to reproduce document for other section. C. Providing service to enlarge or reduce text or image from documents as desired by the leadership. Three kinds of document reproduction tools. A. Photocopy. B. Stencil machine. C. Risograph. Chapter 3. Implementation of the Prakrin. 1. Place. The implementation of agency work practice or Prakrin is carried out at PT Citra Abadi Sejati, Jalan Kedung Halang, No. 263, Bogor, West Java. 2. Time. The internship is held for 2 months from 2 September to 1 November 2020 with details of the stages of preparation, implementation to completion. Chapter 4. Closing. A. Conclusion. Based on the internship activities that have been carried out, several stories are found as follows. 1. There is a positive relationship between internship activities in the office management expertise program with learning materials in school. Number 2. Internship helps students prepare themselves to be ready to work. Miss, gak kelihatan. Number 2. Internship helps students prepare themselves to be ready to work when they graduate from school. B. Suggestion. Expected in school can improve the material guidance that students are better prepared to carry out the work. Practice. Number 1. The school should put the student practice on workplace in accordance with department or expertise. Number 2. Expected supervising more attention to discipline.
Okay, finish. Ya, oke, finish ya for Siti Hamida.
Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, thank you for your presentation today. Yeah, for presenter today, and then maybe I would like to give you advice and suggestion, and then give you a comment about your presenting. Okay, the first, yeah, when we look at the first presenting, yeah, from Aurora, yeah, I interest with your PowerPoint, yeah, is it good your PowerPoint, yeah, and then complete the PowerPoint and not too not too much writing ya about the paragraph, so make it the point by point ya. Tadi juga dari backgroundnya juga presentasi dia di situ hanya sedikit aja backgroundnya gitu, tapi di situ bisa kita pahami. The pronunciation ya, tadi mungkin masih ada beberapa pronunciation yang kurang tepat, tapi di sini ada direct ya, ada kata direct. Itu bukan direct tapi direct, the knowledge, seperti itu. And then second tadi siapa? Please. Nirma ya?
Saya, Miss Nirma.
Nirma ya? Ya, oke, Nirma. Nirma masih terlalu banyak paragraph ya. Make it simple, and then what is the audience? the audience understand your presentation. Ya, buatlah si itu mengerti gitu. Jadi nggak usah banyak-banyak. Jadi dengan kalimat-kalimat singkat itu, yang penting si audiensnya itu memahami gitu. Terus pronunciation-nya tadi juga yang direct juga, tadi direct. Terus conclusion itu Hana ya, tadi conclusion. Apa-apa tadi bilangnya, pokoknya conclusion, terakhir citation. Itu Hana juga sudah bagus presentingnya. Tapi terlalu banyak slide ya. Jadi kalau misalnya untuk memisahkan slide opening itu sebenarnya tidak usah ada ya. Jadi hanya slide-slide yang penting-penting saja yang kamu sampaikan di situ. Tapi sudah bagus, sudah lengkap. Terus pronounce-nya juga sudah jelas ya. Hanya tadi conclusion aja. Terakhir untuk Hamidah. Tadi ini yang masih banyak pronunciation-nya yang masih kurang tepat. Terus dia terlalu ke bawah ya presentingnya, jadi kayak acak-acak gitu, mungkin jaraknya terlalu jauh, jadinya ada yang ke bawah gitu kalimatnya. Kayak providing, bukan providing tapi provide. Dari provider, providing ya. Terus bukan kin tapi kind. The kind of bla bla bla. Terus di sini tambahin lagi gambar ya buat Hamidah. Tadi kan ada kind of bla bla bla, itu siapkan gambarnya. Itu. Ya, thank you for your attention and your participation. And then the next meeting, ya, I hope you will be better. Untuk pertemuan yang akan datang, semoga bisa 5 orang atau lebih ya, biar kita cepat selesai materi yang ini. Thank you for your attention and your participation. Is there any question? Ada yang ditanyakan? Kalau tidak ada, kita tutup aja. Ya, nanti untuk Yuni diperbaiki sama tadi sinyalnya untuk Lisda juga. Oke, thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.